P cam's on. The P cam's on, little dude. Oh, you claiming that bed? I claim this bed for P-topia. Yeah. Look over here. Look at the camera, little dude. Say hi. I mean. Mrrr. Oh, knock the camera around. Watch, you're gonna knock that camera right off, aren't you? Meow. Meow. Yeah, over here. Maybe inspect that camera again. Let them see your nose. They don't need to see your butthole, dude. Don't be so lewd. That is fucking rude. That is fucking rude, little dude. Kick it! Oh, I hear you. Meow. 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 We will soon. I'll get you some soon. He's like, now. I mean. Oh, that's the new video. Up in the background, little dude. Yo. Cousin Chris, that's your original human. What do you think about that? Oh, yeah. Go back behind the camera, behind the scenes. Yeah, was you looking for Cousin Chris? Yeah, you were? Alright, he ain't back there, though. He's not back there. Meow's not here, man. Oh, good squirrel. That's a good squirrel, little dude. Alright. Now, easy with the table now. I got my brand new rig up here. Meow. 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 I mean. Meow. Meow. I'm working on it, little dude. Now see, I done got your P-cam up on the P-cam. Yeah, that's because we're getting ready for it. We is on camera for and everything. That 10 unboxing stuff and stuff. He's unboxing stuff and stuff. Please send me some stuff. Is it good, little dude? Is those some good treats? You're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah. What do you say? I mean. Meow. 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 Meow meow. 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 Little pea, that's my dude. Blah. Blah blah blah. Come to the P-Cam, see your butthole. Yeah, that's gonna be your tagline. Where's the little dude's little dude? Where's the little dude's little dude? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. And what's that do? Uh-huh. Indeed. Brr. Yeah, stretch on out, little dude. I told you, baby. I told you. Them crumbs is temptating. Uh-huh. If you feeling froggy, fool, just jump. Yeah, if you feeling froggy, jump. I'm saying though. Wow. I know. You're not subtle, little dude. I know, you know. I'm sorry, don't get excited because I'm just taking it away. Because ain't nothing left on there, no way. Meow. Meow. Blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Blah. Blah blah. 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 Brr. Brr. Yeah, you my little dude, little dude. You are my little dude. How you do? How you do, little dude? Yeah. Oh, I see yous. I see yous, little dude. Are you back in the house with a fat mouse for that little dude's mouth? Yeah? I hear you. That was off the top. Yeah, I'm sorry, baby. That was off of the top, little dude. Yeah, that was off of the tops. Right? What are you saying? What are you saying? Yeah, what? You just some kind of fancy meow meow guy. Yeah, I hear you. I demand that you rub my belly sides, but you could rub the belly for a minute. Well, about, 24.6 seconds, right? 24.6 seconds. That's how long I can rub your belly. Am I right? Yeah, I know. You can't lie.